Hello all the warriors, this is Roy, welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna unboxing this Neo-Vqs Advanced Pack. Okay, and this the item number is 95598. Okay, so let's open it, see what's inside. Let's go. Before we start the video, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, you can press here for subscribe the channel, and also don't forget to press the bell so every time when we have a new video you will know it right away. Thank you. Okay, so let's start from the body, and the body is clear black. Okay, and then the sticker it came with is pretty small. Actually, it's not that many pieces for this the stickers for this body. Okay, so it's just like this small. Okay, and then next we're gonna talk about is the VZ chassis, and the material is ABS. Okay, and the special one on here is a clear yellow, and to myself this is the first time I see this color like clear yellow for the parts for the chassis. Of course I know there's I think there's some other different type of special edition has like the clear yellow color, but I think most of them is on the body, is not on the parts, even though on the chassis. Clear black, I saw that, you know, remember there's a Korean special that has a clear black on the parts and the chassis as well. I think that's on MA, I think. So this is even though the rollers and all the parts, front and rear plates are all clear yellow. Okay, and next we're gonna talk about is the medium size wheel on this one, and that's the 5-spoke. Okay, so the 5-spoke, I think this one should call it A-spoke. And then the medium size tire, and the material for this one is super hard. Okay, let's take a look at the other parts. Okay, so for this one it comes with, like you can see here, is 2mm, and this is one the pink brake and one blue brake. Okay, this one you come with it. Also depends on which one you want to use it, so you can choose it. Okay, and then it comes with two of the Super X. This is what we should call the front plates from the Super X. This plate is designed for the Super X at the beginning. Okay, but now here is using for one is for the front brake and one is for the rear, but it's for you to using as the underguard. Okay, so it's like this, and then here is give you this plates. Basically it's of course it's a FRP plate, and it's basically designed for the AR chassis, but here we're using on the VZ, and that's what he gave us, and one is at the front and one is at the back. Okay, and I don't know, are you realize one thing, if you see the VZ, the low budget project that we have, so you can using this the two plates you have, and you can stack them together and just cut this part and put this one on, then you can have your own pivot setup if you realize that. And that's how we using and how we made our well, like the low cost like budget that project, remember? Okay, so this is what he has it for this VZ, the starter kit. Okay, and the good thing is it comes with one large plates. Okay, and this brake plates, and this is, I think this is what I like to use right now. Okay, so you can using as the edge plate, and now I really like this kind of a design. All right, and then always of course it comes with the side plates, and this is, as you know, is designed for the AR chassis as well at the beginning, but now we can using on the VZ. All right, so this is all the plate stuff and come with this starter kits. Then let's take a look at the other stuff. Okay, so then we can see this package, it comes with 4 of the 4.2 grand dampers, and also there's some ball cap, and also some black of the black rollers. So if you doesn't really like that clear yellow rollers and you want to match the color, make them more colorful, so you can using this black one. Okay, and then this one it comes with some spacers, washers, and nuts and spring washers, and also it's very important, as you can see this the plastic roller bushings, and some people asking me where I can find all those bushings. Yeah, here you can see all the bushings came from here. And there's a lots of package come with those kind of bushing too. If you see the video we had from RS 4.0 systems, and you can see some of the bushings are cutting is from this kind of bushings, okay? And then this is the terminals, and this is the plastic wheel bearings, and also this one is the 3.7, the high-speed torque gear, and the carbon reinforced crown gear, and carbon reinforced pinion gear, and the hollow propeller shaft, okay? And then this one, there's this rubber tube is for the bowl cap, and you can see here is a wrench here, and this one basically is for our, yes, the reinforced, the screws, the the hacksaw screws, okay? And this is the stronger screws, stronger than the regular screws, okay? So this one is very good package. It comes with this kind of screws, okay? And all the screw size like you need is all over here. And then of course it comes with one light dash, okay? And I think this is the only starter kit that comes with the light dash, okay? And the single shaft light dash, okay? So this is everything for this starter package. Okay, so after we saw all the parts, so actually if you build it and everything actually is gonna be, the setup is gonna be like this. Okay, you can see from here on the side of the box. So I think this, be honestly, this one compared to the what we used to have, the starter kits, this one is gonna be a little bit more expensive. But because the stuff it come with is better than others as well. Because just like can compare, this one come with the plates, right? And also give the plates for the underguard and the front brake. So those two are basically the other doesn't come with. And also this one is come with this light dash as well. So basically it comes with more useful stuff than the others starter pack. And the screws it give you is like hacksaw screws, is stronger screws as well, okay? So there's no doubt this is gonna be a little bit more expensive than what we have, but be honestly, I would say this will be the really good starter pack for the people who are really, this is like a better choice for them if this is gonna be their first car, because the parts they come with is gonna help for the starter, like the newbies much more better. All right, so this is today's video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.